channel. I know I look super crazy. I was actually not planning on wearing makeup today, but I looked at myself and I was like, you kind of need it. Have you ever like wanted to wear makeup but not look like you're wearing makeup? That is the goal for today. So I figured I'm just gonna film it and show it to you guys. I don't even really know what I'm doing, but I figured I would just do it in front of you guys. So if you would like to see how I get the no makeup, then just keep on watching. Don't mind my messy bed. I mean, my bedroom is pretty much all consumed by my bed. So if my bed is messy, my bedroom is messy. So I got my makeup kit out and some clothes. So as you can see, my skin is just not okay right now. I already went ahead and I put some Hey Honey serum on my skin because it really brings my skin to life, makes it soft, and I think it's good for it. So did that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna prime my skin. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Hangover Primer. You know what it's called. I just really want my skin to feel fresh if it's gonna look like I'm not wearing makeup. You know? Some people might be like, that's stupid, just like wear makeup. But have you ever wanted to see somebody or see some people and they look at you and be like, oh, you look good without makeup? Really? That's what I want to do. I want to be like, yeah, I am naturally pretty, but really. I mean, my eyebrows are like super uneven and my skin is really bad. So I really just don't feel comfortable without my makeup right now. So I wanted to just experiment with you guys today. Okay, so for foundation, I don't want to go in with something that's super heavy and obvious, so I'm going to go in with the powder. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix foundation. It's a pressed powder, and I'm going to use the Morphe G36 brush. It looks like this. That way I can just really like press it onto my skin, because as you can see, I really need something full coverage. My chin's red, my cheeks, my forehead, so I'm going to press that in all over my face. See the comparison of the foundation versus the skin. It's a pretty good full coverage foundation, but I like it because it's powder, so it doesn't look super cakey. Now that I have foundation on, as you can see, it doesn't like really cover up everything, which is kind of good because it still kind of looks like my skin a little bit, you know, but just not as bad. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do them with brow powder. I'm gonna try to make them look as natural as they can, but as you can see, my natural eyebrows, girl, they're not cute. So I'm just gonna fill those in and then we're gonna go on with the rest of our face. Went ahead and I filled in my eyebrows just with powder so it looks like it's natural. Don't they look natural with powder? And I didn't like overdo it too much, so it just, I don't want anything to look obvious on my face. Okay, for my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes, and I'm going to show you guys how much of a difference curling your lashes, especially when you're not wearing makeup, makes a difference on your face and just kind of like waking up your eyes and making them look a little bit bigger. As you can see, like between both eyes, this eye is curled, this eye is not. What a difference it makes, right? I think so, at least. Okay, so now that I have both of my eyelashes curled, I don't want it to look like I'm wearing mascara pretty much or anything on my eyes, but I am going to put on mascara. Mascara I'm going to use is this one from Tarte, and it's actually really old. Honestly, I probably should be throwing this away, but I'm just going to do one layer so it doesn't even really look like I have mascara on. It'll just look like my eyelashes are a little bit darker and a little bit longer, and I'm just going to do one coat under, not over. And when I put the mascara on, I'm starting right under my eyelids, right at the base, going up, and I'm not re-dipping that mascara. So it just literally, all it's doing really right now is brushing my eyelashes out with a nice thin small coat of mascara. So it makes them look a little bit fluffy and a little bit darker, but naturally. So you see what I mean? Like, maybe it looks like I have a little bit of mascara, but and then if you feel like it looks a little too obvious, you just brush it out with your finger. So yeah, see? Just a little bit to bring your eyelashes to life. Okay, for my lips, this is an optional thing. This is because I'm very insecure. My lips that are small. I'm gonna go ahead, bronze the bottom and the top so it just looks like they're a little bit bigger, but naturally. Okay, so as you can see, my lips just look a little bit bigger, but not like too obvious, right? Okay, this is my secret, and I hope that you guys don't like go telling people that I have puffy lips because I bronze them. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so for the next step for our lips, I'm just going to go ahead and use a tinted chapstick or lip balm, whatever this is, you know, the baby lips. It has a little bit of like a red tint to it, not too much, so it just looks like your lips have a little bit of pigment in them. The next step, I'm going to go ahead and use this really warm bronzer in a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna give my face a tiny bit of warmth just because I look like a ghost, especially like with like the red on my lips now. Just gonna put a little bit of warmth on my face so it looks like I've been going in the sun just a little bit. That on my cheekbones. I'm not contouring, I'm just bronzing. And I'm gonna go on my forehead. Kinda just putting that like all over my face, so it doesn't look like I just put it on my cheeks or my forehead, looking like it kind of put it everywhere. And a little bit on my nose. That is the complete look for this. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set my makeup with this Morphe spray that I'm not a big fan of, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it anyways. Set my makeup because I really want this look to be like a really refreshed, natural, easy look, you know? Looks like I'm naturally just cute. Okay, you guys, so that completes this easy, quick, natural, no makeup look for the day. It's just super easy, and if you're like me and sometimes you don't feel that comfortable not wearing makeup in public, you know, like you want to just like go run errands, or you want to go to the gym even, or if you're going on a hike with people and you just want to feel comfortable in your skin, then this is just like the look for you. It doesn't look like you have much makeup, if not any makeup on at all. Honestly, most guys will be like, oh, she's not wearing makeup, but really I am. Girls will probably be like, yeah, she's wearing makeup, but who cares? Anyways, yeah, if you guys like this look, give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. I hope that you guys all have a wonderful day, and you know that you're loved. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like right now. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, whatever you're doing today. Be safe, be blessed, and yeah. Bye.